Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to fix this voiceover record button is disabled on Adobe Premiere Pro. So if I mouse over right, voiceover record, it is disabled and I cannot record my voice. So I'm going to fix it now. It's very simple fix. I hope already you have connected your microphone to your computer and then go to edit and go to preferences. Here we need to choose this audio hardware. Here, right, default input is selected as no input. So this is the problem. We are not able to record our voice. And I'm going to select this Xbox wireless headset. Yes, that's it. Super cool. So remaining thing should be same, or if you want to change the default output, that also you can change it. Then fine, I'm going to give OK. You can see the changes here. So giving OK. Super cool. Now voiceover record button is successfully enabled. Now I can record with any tracks. So I'm going to move it. I'm going to tap on this. It's starting. Super. Track is recorded successfully. So that's it, friends. This is the way you can fix disabled voiceover record button in Adobe Premiere Pro. That's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please share your comments and feedback. So many Thank you. Bye and take care.